Welcome back. The last thing I'm going to show you is how I digitize the outline of the seahorse. To start with, I'm going to hide all the objects that I digitized so far so I can see my artwork. So I'm going to go to Resequence, open the Resequence Docker. I'm going to click the first object, then hit the Shift key on my keyboard, hold it down and click on the last one. Then I'm going to right click on my mouse and click Hide Selected. Now I can see my artwork better. So I'm going to expand the Digitize toolbox, and this time I'm going to select Digitize Open Shape. I'm going to go and expand the Edit Object toolbox and then click Object Properties so I can select my stitch type. I'm going to use a triple stitch. I'm also going to change the stitch to this dark indigo color. Now I can start digitizing. So for me to see better, I'm going to hit the B key on my keyboard to draw a box around the head because that's where I want to digitize. I'm going to start here. And I'm just going to create one continuous line. And that means that occasionally I have to go through a shape, along the shape, more than once. And that's perfectly fine. I'm after a really organic look, a pencil drawn effect. And when you pencil draw, your lines are never the same. Some of them are thinner, some of them are thicker. And that's perfectly fine. So I'm just going to keep going. Doesn't have to be overly tidy either. It's fine if it's a little bit different from the shape. It doesn't have to be an exact science. Just keep going. So I'm not going to go all the way. Obviously you can see what I'm doing and you just need to keep going. It's quite a long process. And I'm not going to do all of it because then it's going to be an endless video. So I'm just going to hit enter now. And you can see that the line is there. I'm going to show you a bit more on the body, just as an example. So I'm going to digitize a little part of the body here as well. Again, following the lines. Sometimes going over a line twice, it's fine. The key, I guess, here is not to veer too far away from an area, so sort of try to keep working on one area until you're finished. Okay, I'm going to hit enter now. You can see the line is there. Once I finish drawing the line, I can go to Resequence, open the Resequence Docker. In the same way as we did before, select the first object and select the last object by hitting the Shift key on your keyboard and then clicking the last object. And then click on Hide All. And the seahorse is ready. Thank you for watching.